You are watching BNS News.
Welcome to today's crypto news. Let's see today's headline first. Singapore's largest bank, DBS, and Ether whale with nearly $650 million in ETH, Nansei. Bybit Zero Fees Fiesta campaign leads to EUR trading volume surge. Telegram wallet enforces new KYC rules switches provider. El Salvador plows bolts chain swap strengthening Bitcoin innovation. Rise launches Web3's first liquidity diffusion network. OKCoin unveils new cryptocurrency staking options. Near Protocol unveils Near name tokens as digital's identity. KuCoin delists Polyhedra's token amid battle for ZK token symbol. Fidelity Ethereum spot ETF listed on DTCC under tickers FETH dollars. NodeMonks leads NFT sales for second time this week. Jack Dorsey-backed Bitcoin's mining pool Ocean establishes global hub in El Salvador. Vitalik Buterin issues major warnings on official crypto scams. DBS, the largest bank in Singapore, is an Ether whale, according to on-chain analyst firms Nansen. The blockchain address supposedly owned by DBS held 173,753 ETH, worth $647 million at a press time. At the time of writing, Ether chain hands in $3,730. Bybit, one of the top three crypto exchanges by trading volume, has reported a significant surge in EUR trading volume following the launch of its EUR Zero Fees Fiesta campaign in April this year, according to information shared with the Finbold on May 30. Wallet, a third-party cryptocurrency wallet bought on Telegram messengers, and undergoing significant changes such as imposing stricter known or customer rules and changing its services provider. The Bitcoin office of an El Salvador expressed enthusiasm today is over on new Bitcoin fintech innovations from Bolts, a company registers in the country. Bolts, through their official Twitter account, announced the launch of a new product, Chain Swaps. This features allows users to seamlessly exchange rate directly between liquid bitcoins and the original bitcoin's main chain. Rise Web3's first liquidity diffusion network came out of the stealth today, aims to provide competitive and returns on a single click strategies. On launch, the platform's yield set at 21% APY on stablecoins and over 9% APY on ETH. OKCoin is a leading identity in the cryptocurrency staking market, has announced the launch of a new API staking offers. The strategic move aims to leverage the growing interest among younger investors in cryptocurrency investments. Near Protocol, a Web3 platform that utilizes chain abstraction technology, has recently announced on the project. According to the platforms, it's unveiling Near name tokens, which offer a more resilient solutions for digital identities, along with providing several other possibilities via digital identities. The company informed the community about the development on its official X account. In a recent announcement, KuCoin's convert be delisting Polyhedra's ZK tokens at 8 on May 31, 2024. After the delisting, users will no longer be able to trade these tokens on KuCoin Convert. However, the KuCoin spot trading service Polyhedra's ZK token is still tradable. That's all for today's crypto news. Stay tuned for more updates.